Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, Govin English Teacher. Today, a great person is with us. He is Aris Prajapati from Nagpur. He is a resourceful, respected regular speaker. We have been talking different topics every day regularly. So today we are going to talk about how to improve concentration, how concentration is important and affect our life, how one can get success with the help of concentration. First of all, let me say, sir, what is the concentration? So concentration, it involves the combination of some factors such as physical factors, mental factors, and environmental factors. Here are some tips are there, like, sir. Actually, for the to get concentration, first of all, physical activity has been shown in increase blood flow of brain, which can help with mental alertness and improve concentration. And also, lack of sleep can cause fatigue and reduce your ability to concentrate. So, aim for at least 7 to 9 hours a good sleep each night. Stay hydrated. The dehydration can cause fatigue and affect your mental clarity. So, it is important to drink plenty of water throughout the day. And also, reduce distractions. Find a quiet place to work. Limit your exposure to distractions such as notifications on your phone, computer, and consider using noiseless cancellation headphones is better. And also take some breaks. Taking short breaks every hour so can help you maintain focus and avoid burnout. And also mindfulness. So mindfulness techniques such as the meditation, deep breathing, and yoga can help you stay focused and reduce stress. And the last technique, some techniques are there such as the Pomodoro method is there, where work for short bursts of time and take frequent breaks can help you maintain focus and improve your productivity. And having a clear and organized work environment can reduce stress and also can help maintain focus. So there are many techniques are there, sir, actually. So how uh, the meditation, how the concentration very important, very effective to make our life in a fruitful way. So please welcome back to
Thanks.
my channel. So please respond your ideas, sir, regarding the topic.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you very much, sir,
thank you.
for your wonderful introduction about the concentration. When we do talk about the concentration, we have to keep one thing in our mind, and that is really simple, which we call focus. Now, people would complain they would unable to focus, and this is not a truth. Why it's not a truth? Because let's say if I'm good at public speaking, the way we do concentrate over our public speaking, we do YouTube every day. We are not lacking our concentration, not at all. But at the same point, if you would say me to, release your music or just sing a song, I may not be concentrated there, not at all. I can't manage my focus. And why I can't manage my focus? Because I don't have experience. And because I don't have experience, I may not have confidence, and I may not have confidence, it would impact upon my concentration. Now, the thing has been become very clear in which thing you are good at, you can do well concentration over there. But if you're not good at something, you would lack in a concentration. Now, how you can improve your concentration? Anything. If you want to improve your concentration, there are some tricks which may work. Now, change is always requirement of this universe. I'm saying responsibly this word universe. Why? Because let's try to understand, if you don't have focus, then what would be a difference between your life and animal life? It would be equal. That's why you need to do concentration. How you can do concentration? That the first step is awareness. Are you aware? If you are aware, then definitely you can do focus upon your concentration. Means what you would focus there. Focus is the son of concentration. Now, try to understand. Let's take an example of Olympic or any biggest platform of the competition, any exam. There are hundred of people, those are representing their country, in which we can be agree they all are superb because they are representing their country and they have parents so many people. That's why they are given this amazing chance to represent their country. Now let's say there may be some people those are weak at a particular event, but what about gold medalist and silver medalist. What is the difference? And that difference which makes, that is awareness. A person would be more aware, a person would be winner. There is no any difference in talent. There is even no difference in potential. There is even no difference in capability. They are more capable. They are equally capable. Still they would be lacking somewhere and get silver. So how you can increase your awareness? Ask to yourself how. If you want to increase your awareness, you need to be attached with your task. How you can attach? You must have each and every information which is related to your task. Let's say a game which is called chess. It takes you a good amount of concentration. Once you would lose your concentration, you would definitely be going to lose entire game because it's a game of concentration. Now, for concentration, as you mentioned so many things that all are relevant, such as your diet, your mindset, your environment, your background also. Now, this is the first step. What can be the next step? Once you have achieved each and every relevant able source, now what can be the second step? Try to do one activity every day. This will definitely help you to boost up your concentration. Let's say we are working on a YouTube on the regular basis. What may be the reason why we have been doing? Definitely we want view, we want subscriber. But this is not only about views and subscriber. This is all about our life also. What we are doing, we are making it a habit and we are improving every day. Let's say once we would be improved, we need not to focus. Focus will come automatically because it will be entered in our subconscious mind and our subconscious mind will provide us to the source of concentration. Are you getting? Let's say first somebody would be going to learn driving. He would do more concentration, more. And once he would have learned, later on, he need not do concentration. Next example I would like to give you. Let's say, sir, if you are a teen like me, so what happened? You would be afraid to so many people if you would be in a fighting. Somebody can beat me, what I would do. But once I would make my body wonderful, amazing, I would make a six pack, I would be healthy, then I need not to be afraid because people would be afraid. Whatever you are going to do in your life, that is only for the your security, your productivity. That thing you need not to use. Let's say today I know English, I am good at English. So what happened? As you know very well about Indian society, this society will be respect me and they will not say to speak English because they know. So anything which you have, any art which you have, anything in which you are good at, that thing you need not to use in order to show somebody else. That is working the kind of the light of sun. Do we need to ask proof to sun how much capable this is? Its rays are, it is proven to sun power. What, how much powerful sun is. So this is exactly called power. And once we do talk about a concentration, it is come from the process. There are two kind of the people. First, focus upon the goal-oriented mentality. Second is focus upon the process-oriented mentality. And if you would ask me, I am the one who believe in a process. Because process is something which lead you toward your target. But once you would be in a goal-minded mentality, you can be fall down in a process. You would not enjoy your process. You would be successful to some extent, but you will lose yourself because you were not enjoying process. That's why you don't have the proper knowledge. Let me share some tips with you how you can improve your concentration. Let's say somebody who is a student. This can be implemented on student also. So you are reading while sitting, now your mind has become a board. Sometimes what you can do, read while standing. Just make a platform in your home where stand and do read. Give different taste to your mind and set a time goal for you. Half an hour I would not be going to get off from this platform or this place. This is how you can improve your concentration. Number two, What you can do? You can learn such kind of the games, such as a puzzle, chess. Many more are available on the Play Store or in internet. There are so many things which can teach you how you can build up your concentration. Number third, that is also one of the great aspect when I was researching. So what it is, how you can improve your concentration. There are activity, let's say you are reading book. What you have to do, you have to take book in your hand ups and down and try to read. Give different taste to your mind as I said previously. So what will happen? Your mind will take an interest. And once it will take an interest, your potentiality and your ability will be increasing to capture that. Number four, what you have to do for concentration, and that's what I feel. Let's say somebody is good at math, somebody is good at music. It is you an intelligence. Don't leave it. I'm repeating this aspect. The way we are not, we going to, leave our videos. We would be going to upload each and every day. It's not the question of only views and subscriber. It is kind of the habit which we do have, and we would like to continue this habit because why we are improving. We are getting more concentration whenever we are going to do any other work also. And because of what? Because of this video, because we are regular here. Number five, how you can do this all things. So for doing concentration, you may follow some kind of the exercise. Let's say you need not to pay anything or you need not to do anything. You are sitting on a chair. Just set your target and look at there. For the next 10 minutes, I'll be watching that target continuously. Doesn't matter what would come to me. I will not gonna focus there. And next, even you want to focus there, which is take a big task for you. What kind of task you can take? You can take number one. You can say for the next 1 hour, I'll stand without shaking my hand, leg. I would stand. I would do concentration. You can do meditation for that also. You can say today I'll not use my mobile phone. Today I'll not use my WhatsApp. Today I would take a fast. Fast is not must be a motive of religious, not at all. Because you want to boost up your concentration power. That's why you have to take such kind of an initiative. Now let me conclude what I said. I said what is concentration? Concentration can be several part of your life. It may be the different according to the person. Somebody might be a good at public speaking, such as us. We are paying our concentration over there. Somebody might be good at music. They may be good at their. Next thing that we have learned when we do talk about a concentration, there are a lot of things through that you can improve your concentration. In which we have learned that if you want to focus on anything else, then definitely you must focus on your diet. You must focus on your mental condition. That's what we call mindset. Later on, we have learned some of the tricks which may boost up your concentration, such as you can play chess or you can download a lot of things from your Play Store, such as a puzzle. And the most important thing that I told you, when you do talk about a concentration or when it comes to concentration, you must have regularity in any kind of the thing. You may be good at a cricket, do play cricket every day. You may be good at maths, just do solve maths every day. If you are good at video making, you do make video every day. Such as I would like to give you the real information. We are not good at this much making video, but still we are trying. We are learning every day. We use not to make a good video. Our content is really superb, sir. Nobody can make a content like us. There are a lot of YouTubers, but they don't have such kind of the content which we are making. Because we do have really great aspect toward this. But definitely, we are lacking in video making. We don't have good camera. Are we sitting? Not at all. We have been silent. No, we don't know how to hold camera, how to face camera. No, we are trying and we are improving. So don't follow perfectionism. Nobody is perfect. Nobody can be perfect. If you, whomsoever, following perfectness, they would be going to fall down very heavily and they will be hurted. That's what is my promise. If you would not, start anything, if you have, start from over there. That's what I would say for the today. Please add, sir.
Yes, a few points, sir. So, in a nutshell, I want to sum up this session. I'm going to conclude. So, avoid multitasking is the secret of concentration, and also aware of present and beware of future. and concentrate present time, and also that motivates you towards concentration. And also, concentration is a great power, and we can use the concentration power, can do miracles in our professional and personal life. How Swami Vivekananda concentrated on studies, on books, on Vedas. So that power gives lot of energy, lot of wisdom. So it will be help for us, our future life, our prosperous life. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very
Thanks a
much
lot.
for being with us, and
Thanks a lot.
thank you sharing, and thank you sparing some time. Thank you, sir. See you later.